I'm Balima Seko. I am the Head of Wellbeing and Employee Experience at Sasol, looking after the organization's employees, making sure they're well and are able to perform best at work and at home. I think STEAMI will change how we learn and how we do things, and even if it's things that are not necessarily in the STEAMI track, but it will help us do things differently. For instance, take my job. I didn't follow the STEAMI track necessarily, but I'm able to use all the things that STEAMI can provide in my current job. For example, the technology, being innovative, using all the tools to make my job more exciting. I want the learners to know that there's so many options out there for them. They must see all the different things that STEAMI can offer. And I'm sure some of them just have their track on the one thing, the sciences, the maths, but I want them to know that there's so much more that they can do and so much different careers that they can take away, that they can use STEAMI. So a word of advice that I would offer learners who want to start a career in STEAMI is to expose themselves as much as possible to the different options that they have under STEAMI, and to come to events like this. I mean, Sasol is hosting this amazing Techno X event. They must learn as much as possible and then decide for themselves what the best route they can follow is. I think Sasol is having a huge impact, on STEAMI in the country by hosting Techno X, because it's exposing youth to all the different options that they've got as part of technology, as part of STEAMI. They see all the different things that they can do with STEAMI and with technology.